Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of short hair style in grey hair dye. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching and very attractive ideas of hairstyling. Many much more latest ideas. So beautiful collection of hairstyling, fine hairstyle. Wavy curly hairstyling, messy hairstyles. Beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle. Attractive spike with undercut. And so beautiful ideas of hair dye in grey color. Some ideas in lightly, some ideas in dark. So attractive collection of highlights with dark base color. Trendy ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut. Wedge haircut and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. And the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut. And different ideas of bang, chin length bang, nose length bang. And many much more latest collection, latest ideas of short hair style in grey hair dye for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please really support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and bye bye.